There were shepherds out in the fields nearby, keeping watch over their flocks by night. Suddenly, an angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them. They were afraid. "Fear not," the angel said. "I bring you good news and great joy that will be for all people. That was born this day in the city of David, who is Christ the Lord. You will find the baby wrapped in cloths and lying in a manger."